Hello, thank you for joining us for yet another wonderful webinar from Lightline. Today we're going to be discussing hospitality interior lighting for hotels and restaurants. When should you think about lighting? I personally always think about lighting. You should think about lighting when you are planning the space. Lighting is an essential element of design. If you are redecorating a lobby, a restaurant, or building a brand new hotel, you should plan for lighting as you plan for the space. What should we consider? Three elements that we should consider is atmosphere, safety, and energy efficiency. Atmosphere. Creating an inviting atmosphere is vital to attracting customers to a hotel or a restaurant. The lighting needs to complement the interior design of the space. Color temperature is key. Think about your target client or audience. Are they young and hip and energetic? Then you want high levels of lighting and cool color temperatures. Are your clients established and looking for the best? Then they want warm color temperatures, dim to warm, tunable white. Those are the things that you should consider using in the space. So when we're talking about color temperatures, there's many different factors. We offer a lot of different color temperatures. We offer 27K, 3,000, 3,500, 4,000, and 5,000. We also offer dim to warm and tunable white. Think about the space. Do you want it to be bright and energetic, or do you want it to be warm and cozy? Color temperature can be a personal thing, but it can also be a regional thing. I find in spaces, in areas that are cold in general, we like to use warm color temperatures to make the space warm and inviting. In areas where it's naturally hot and maybe humid, they prefer cooler color temperatures. What products do we have to offer for hospitality? We have the Luna family, which is a very high value, best in class product, which is economical for a lot of projects. Then we have the Sigma family, which is a design forward European look. And then we have the Helios family, when you're looking for the best and you don't want to compromise. Let's talk a little bit about the Luna family. The Luna family, we offer a 2-inch, a 3-inch, a 3.5-inch, a 4-inch, and our 5/6, which can fit a hole that's 5 or 6 inches based on the application that you have. It is designed to not be in an icy can. It is icy as you see it right here. It is wet location. It's Energy Star. It's Title 24. It encompasses a lot of things you want. And it is, in general, 90 CRI. We offer it in color selectable or dim to warm. We can talk now about our Sigma 2 family. Our Sigma 2 family offers a lot of options. You can select your beam spread, you can select your color temperature, and you can select your lumen package. We offer a 700 lumen, 1100 lumen, and 1600 lumen package. We also offer our Sigma 2 in dim to warm, and we offer a lot of finishes. We also offer a lot of trim options to meet your need, including multiples. Then when we talk about our Helios 2 family, it was designed to meet only the best needs of everybody. So we have an outer optic, an inner optic, so you can choose your beam spreads. You can choose your color temperature. You can choose to have a 360-degree rotation, a 30-degree mechanical tilt, a 6 millimeter drift to keep the optic centered when the fixture is aimed. It has beautiful trims. There's nothing not to like about the Helios 2. So thinking about the atmosphere, again, you have many options. You have our Luna, our Sigma, our Helios, our 9 series. You can choose to use dim to warm that can go from 3000K to 2000K. You can, by using dim to warm, you allow your customer, if it's a hotel room, to set the mood that they like. If it's a restaurant, the dim to warm works very nicely for, as the day goes on, they can dim the lights and make it warmer. You know, there's a legend in the hospitality industry that I like to promote. The warmer the color temperature is in the space, the more people feel good about themselves because they think they look better. The more wine and beer and cocktails they will order, the longer they will stay at the restaurant or the hotel, the more money they spend. So creating the right atmosphere and having the right color temperature does affect the bottom line. Safety. Safety has many connotations here. So I'm going to start out by talking about light levels. Light level guidelines are recommended by the IES, and in many cases you'll find when you are working with a hotel group or a restaurant group, they have their own levels and standards. It's important to work within those standards. Working with a lighting calculation helps you meet the standards that your client is looking for. So the other factor in safety is you have front of house and back of house. And you want to consider your guests that are staying at your hotel or staying at the restaurant. You're lighting the front of house space for them. The back of house space could be the restaurant kitchen. It could be where they store products to keep your hotel room clean. It could be where they store the sheets. That needs a much brighter light level. You want to think about your kitchen staff. They are doing very intense tasks. You want to provide them with good task lighting. And they also are using sharp knives. You also have bartenders who need under cabinet lighting so that they can see what kind of drinks they're mixing for you. And then you need to also think about the cleaning crew that is coming in after everything is all said and done, and they're coming in to clean the restaurant or the hotel room. They need a different light level. So the products that we have that would work for both front and back of house are our Dine family, our multiple track options, and our Forum family. I'm going to start with our Dine family. Our Dine family was specifically designed for dining applications. It's a lovely fixture. It's available in cylinder pendants. It's also available as track heads or surface mount cylinders. The fixture itself has 3 different snoot options that thread onto the fixture. The snoot is always gold on the inside to give that glowing look to keep the customer there drinking anything. The fixture is available in white and black, and we also offer a lovely mini recessed canopy if you are using a pendant. It also can, as a track head, it matches all of our track that we offer. The Forum panels, these are really, for the most part, used in back of house, or if you use our Forum linear in a surface mounted application, it makes a terrific vanity light or sconce for going down the hallway. We do offer occupancy sensors in our forum panel. They are invisible. They sit right behind the lens. And we also offer Casambi, which is a wireless control option that can be used with your iPhone or iPad, or I guess I only use iPhones and iPads, I'm sorry, and your Android phones. Our linear forum fixtures and our regular forum fixtures. Our linear forum fixtures have a 4-inch visible aperture. They're available in 2-foot long, 4-foot long, and 6-foot long. We also have a frame system that can be suspended, surface mounted, and you can create a design that you need for your space. Our fixtures are always water selectable, color selectable, with discrete occupancy sensors. Our track, we offer A-line track, we offer power gear. For commercial applications, our A-line track is used in both hospitality, retail, and residential applications. Our standard colors are white, black, and silver. We offer an incredible array of track heads to go with. Our A-beam fixture is our standard A-line track installed into a more rigid housing that helps you span your suspension points up to 12 feet apart. It's available in both white and black. And then for commercial applications where you want to use a H channel that allows you to install track into it, but it can also be used to hang clothes off of. In retail application, it's one step up from the A-beam. Safety. The other part of safety is liability. The last thing you want to have happen is have a customer trip, miss a step, so you want to provide well-lit environments, and it's important for the owner, for their liability. It's important for the people who work at the establishment, and it's important for customers. Using different types of product in the space to get light levels, as you can see in this image, there's step lights and downlights. It allows you to get really good light levels instead of trying to blast all the light out of one fixture. It's better to layer lighting. So we offer all kinds of step lights, little mini micro pots, which I love, and we offer our micro LEDs and LED bars and tape light. We also offer our fossil step light that can be mudded into the wall and look like it's part of the structure. It's available in 2 watts, 90 CRI. It produces 70 lumens. It's dimmable. It's available in 3000K, 27, 35, and 4000K. It's suitable for interior insulated walls, and it's an interior product only. Our beautiful little step lights are both round and square. They're low voltage. They require a remote driver. You can have them in white, black, and brushed nickel. The same little step light can be used also as a decorative sconce. You can do a lot of fun things with this, so you should really consider this fixture family. Our little micro LEDs, they can go into niches. They can create a faux star ceiling effect. They can be in a gimbal, outside of a gimbal. They're available in flat white, anodized black, and brushed nickel. There are 4 beam distributions and 3 color temperatures, 27, 3000, and 5500. For our micropods, this is a low voltage fixture. that is available in white, black, and silver, round and square. This fixture has been very popular for a lot of different applications, but it works in millwork, but also it's great in restaurants in hotel lobbies when you go down the hall and that little light is shining on the number of the room so you can find your room. It's really a great little application. But it can also be used in wine cellars or wine displays and around bars. It is an IC rated fixture. You should take a look at it. It works for a lot of different applications. The LED bar is available in multiple sizes. You can think of it as an under-counter light. You can think of it also as a closet light. When you have very high-end hotels and your client opens up the closet door, they like to see what's in the closet, and having the LED bar there works beautifully. It could be plug-in or hardwire. We offer a hardwire junction box with it. You can link up to 10 of them together, and it is ENERGY STAR approved. Energy efficiency. Now, you have to remember that hotels and restaurants are places of business, and in many municipalities, they're required to meet the local energy code. And that could be just by using ENERGY STAR fixtures or Title 24 fixtures, DLC fixtures, or you are required to meet a wattage per square foot. So that's when calculations become very important on the wattage per square foot. Think about how you're going to meet your local standards of energy efficiency. A lot of our fixtures are available with the wireless controls by Casambi, and that allows either the manager of the hotel or the manager of the restaurant to be able to control the light fixtures in the space and set them to the needs of the space at any time. So that is something to consider. You don't necessarily need to have switches all over the wall. You can use an app and control every single space for the function that is needed at that time. Do you have any questions? Thank you for joining us today.